Morning children. In this video class, we are going to discuss about book exercises. Try your own. Look children, here the given word is banana leaf. You have to find out the meaning in your mother tongue, parts of speech, use in a sentence and draw. Let's find children. Banana leaf. Children, what is the meaning for banana leaf? Yes, banana leaf is a leaf of the banana plant. They are large, flexible and green in color. They are used for cooking, food serving, etc. So you can write the green leaf that grows on a banana tree. Next one, in your mother tongue. In Tamil, we call it as Vazhai ilai. Next one, parts of speech. What is a parts of speech for banana leaf? Yes, it is a noun. Next one, use in a sentence. You have to form sentence with the word banana leaf. Yes. South Indian food is usually served on a banana leaf because children, eating on banana leaves is healthy in every way and it is also excellent for steaming banana leaf. So you can write as South Indian food is usually served on a banana leaf due to its medicinal values. Next one, you have to draw the banana leaf. So children, you write the meaning, then in your mother tongue, then parts of speech, then use in a sentence and draw the banana leaf. I can do. Answer the following. Children, look at the picture here. What is the name of the object? Yes, name of the object is cage. In your mother tongue, in Tamil, we call it as goondu. Use in a sentence. You have to frame sentence using the word cage. There is a beautiful bird in a cage. There is a beautiful bird in a cage. So, name of the object is cage. In your mother tongue, goondu. Use in a sentence, there is a beautiful bird in a cage. Next, tick the correct suffix. So, here the given word is color. Colorless. Colorless. Next one, drive. E-R. Driver. Next one, tank. Full. Thankful. Next one, retirement. Retirement. Colorless, driver, thankful, retirement. Recite the poem Mother Nature. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with smiling face. Wins the hearts in life's race. Fortune knocks with its best those who cares for their guest. Write the correct forms for the present perfect tense. Children, you have already learnt to form the present perfect tense. You have to add have or has plus V3 form. If the subject is I, we, you, they, you have to add have, and if it is he, she, it, you have to add has. First one, the subject is they. So you have to add have plus V3 form started. So the answer is they have started playing. Next one, the subject is she. So you have to add has, and the V3 form for write is written. So the answer is she has written a letter. Next, write a thank you letter for your aunt for the time you spent at her home during holidays. So you have to write letter to your aunt. So you start like, dear auntie, I am fine here. How are you there? I hope you are fine. Thank you very much for the hospitality I enjoyed at your home. It was the best weekend I ever had. It was really awesome and fun to stay with you. I would never forget your love and affection. I really miss you. Hope to see you soon. So children, I'm once again, dear auntie, I'm fine here. How are you there? I hope you're fine. Thank you very much for the hospitality I enjoyed at your home. It was the best weekend I ever had. It was really awesome and fun to stay with you. I would never forget your love and affection. I really miss you. Hope to see you soon. Yours lovingly. Here you write your name. Try your own. Look children, here the given word is bow. You have to write the meaning for bow. A weapon for shooting arrows. A weapon for shooting arrows. In your mother tongue, in Tamil, we call it as will. Parts of speech, it is a noun. Next, use in a sentence. With bow, you have to frame a sentence. Bow was an important weapon in olden days. Bow was an important weapon in olden days. Next thing, you have to draw the bow. So children, first you write the meaning, a weapon for shooting arrows. Next, in your mother tongue, will. Parts of speech, it is a noun. Use in a sentence, bow was an important weapon in olden days. Next thing you have to draw. I can do. Answer the following. Look at the picture children. What is the name of the object? Yes, name of the object is cup. In your mother tongue, in Tamil, we call it as kopai. Use in a sentence. You have to frame sentence with the word cup. She won the cup in yesterday's match. So name of the object cup, in mother tongue kopai. Sentence, she won the cup in yesterday's match. Next Roman, write the words with same meaning for the following pictures. So here the given words are fast, afraid, train. Look at the first picture. What is the picture here? Fear. What is the same meaning for the word fear? Yes, It is afraid. Next picture is practice. What is the same meaning for the word practice? Yes, it is train. Look at the next picture. What is the given word? Speed. What is the same meaning for the word fast? Okay. Next one. Write the opposites for the following pictures. Here the given words are fix, young, near. Look at the first picture. Old. What is the opposite for the word old? Young. Next one, break. What is the opposite for the word break? Fix. Next one, far. What is the opposite for the far? Yes, near. Old, young. Break, fix. Far, near. Recite the poem The Swimmer. The swimmer, she stands still and tall. She seems greater than all. She dives like the fish. To be like her, one can only wish. She swims with perfect flight, her strokes like dancing light. She breathes air and drips across the water with flair. Up ahead, the audience cheer. She knows that the finish line is near. She picks up her pace as she wants to win the race. Straining with all her might, she never gives up the fight. As she reaches the wall, her name as winner they call. Match the correct rhyming words. Nature, creature. Bird, herd. Face, race. Next one, complete the sentences using connecting words. Here the given words are because, so. I worked hard, dash, I got promotion. So, I got promotion. Next one, I was late, dash, there was a heavy traffic. I was late because there was a heavy traffic. Next one, I missed the bus, dash, I took a taxi. I missed the bus, so I took a taxi.